People are going to try and scam you on Fiverr. They're trying to get free information out of you. They're trying to just not pay you and steal your information, steal your hard work, steal everything from you. Don't let them steal from you. In this video, I'm going to show you some conversations that I have with people or conversations that people start with me. And I show you how I quickly identify who they are, what they're about, and able to extinguish or close a conversation and expose who they really are. That way you can move on to more important things in your business. Because nobody has the time to deal with fakers and jokers when you're on Fiverr. Let's get into the video. So right now I'm in my inbox. This is my dashboard. I got some orders coming through. Been really good. I got a lot of these Fiverr choices coming through. It's not what I'm talking about, but I get some messages. So here, we'll start with this guy, and you can see it right here. This guy, Michael Young, 683, in his profile pictures is, "What's your online marketing strategy?" So let's see how the conversation starts out. So he's messaging me about my virtual coaching and consulting for ClickFunnels, right? So I use ClickFunnels, and he's messaging me about this. He's like, first message, "Hello, October 26th, me, hi. Later that day, please let me know when you have time to chat," right? So he wants me to chat with him for free, and I'm like, absolutely not. Like, I'm not giving away free information. I already know what's happening here. This guy's already labeled himself. He opened up the conversation with just one word, hello. That is a good indication that someone is going to waste your time. They're not putting in the effort to actually message you. They haven't looked at your profile. They don't actually know, they hadn't looked deep into you, so they don't really know what's going on, right? And that's a key giveaway right there if somebody's wasting your time. So please let me know when you have time to chat. Okay, sure, no problem. Can you please tell me more about your project, right? So that was my next. I'm like, now I'm trying to extract some information from him, because I can be wrong, right? So sometimes I am wrong. Maybe this is the one time out of 99 that this guy is not full of it. All right. I said, sure. Can you please let me know when you have time to chat? Sure, no problem. Can you please tell me more about your project? Not sure what you sent. That's his next conversation. I don't know what that means. Hi, what can I help you with? Can you send me some examples? Mistyped. Sure, I'd love to send you some examples. What are you looking for? Funnels. So then I just sent him so I have a bunch of quick responses down here, and one of them is a 14-day free trial for ClickFunnels. So what I did is he's like, can you please send me some examples? I'm like, oh, all right, sure, here you go. Here's an example of a funnel. The ClickFunnels, the company whose whole business is designed around building funnels. So I sent it to him with my quick response. It's like, just so you know, I only work with clients that have a ClickFunnels account. I put my affiliate link on there so he can click it. You get a 14-day free trial. He's like, yes, I know ClickFunnels. Okay. Yeah, and I haven't heard anything back from him. What's your online marketing strategy? Okay, guy, what's your strategy? Just steal from people and make it your own? Producers group. Okay, here we go. Producers group. Let's check him out. This one was funny. Right away. So his message reads like this, right here. Hey, how's it going? I want to see about getting a sales funnel going for our page. The basic premise is we do marketing for real estate agents. We put the marketing on autopilot, and pretty much the best part is it's free because we have a lender on the back end that will give them marketing credit. Check out his website, teamadvantage.com. Let me know if you can help. Appreciate your time. So right away, he's looking for a funnel for his marketing company. So they have a marketing company, he's looking for a funnel, right? So if we go check this out, I'm going to click on it and show you exactly what's going on here. Free marketing management. Agents, don't close clients again. Learn how to leverage social media to increase your business. Marketing credits, social media, lead gen, personal branding. We don't give you leads, we give you appointments. Bitch, how are you going to have a company talking about generating leads for realtors? This is your business. You're generating leads, but you don't know how to build a funnel? And now you're coming to me and you're acting like something's important. So this is right away. I'm just like, okay, here we go again. Another scammer. Hey, producers group, thanks for reaching out. This is one of my quick responses. Definitely use your quick responses as my first reply. And it always comes out like that. Hey, it auto inputs their name, their username. Thank you for reaching out. I'm reviewing your message now. Sure, I can help you. How are you getting leads currently for the service? Have you ever had a funnel before? That was my conversation right there, right? So I'm probing. I want to get more information out of them. They haven't given me information that I'm looking for. I'm really trying to see who they are and where they're at. And then he responds, the way we're getting leads right now is cold calling, trainings, and word of mouth, but we really want to blow this up. We're seeing a strong demand for it, so we really want to get more exposure. No, we've never had a funnel before. I love it. It's the best way to grow an already successful business. This is me responding. I'd love to help you with this. We need to figure out the best funnel strategy. Who are your competitors? He responds back, when can I get a Zoom with you and your partner? Thank you for asking, I say. So I always thank people for asking. Whenever they ask you anything, right, this is a big deal in sales 101. Always say, hey, thanks for asking, or thank you for your offer if they try to make an offer for you. So the next step would be to order a strategy call. Once you place your order, I will give you my calendar link so you can book a time that's convenient for you. Sound good? Sure, send me the link. So I send them the link right to my account, right? So it'll go right to my account, my gig. And on the gig, I'm charging $75 for 30 minutes. And it's clear. I even have this in my gigs. He even looked at it in the beginning. So he messaged me about, I will build your sales funnel ClickFunnel, or your ClickFunnel sales funnel. Strategy and discovery call right there, $75. It was clear. Right? He already knows what's going on. Why are you messaging me? And he goes, no, bro, I'm not paying for a phone call. Good laugh though. Right? I already knew it was coming. So yeah, that's how I screen people. That's what I told him. So, I mean, that's what I'm talking about. So these people are always going to try and scam you. So I want to make sure that you understand, who these people are, and you want to try. I have enough work to do, and I'm sure you have enough work to do too. I'm answering messages all day long on here on the platform. So I think like the biggest thing that you want to do is ask them questions about their business. Ask them qualifying questions. Like, what is it? What do you need help with? What are you trying to get information on? Get the clarity from them. Get specific before you even take their order or offer them the order, because you need to know, a lot of times I take an order that I'm like, man, I really should ask more questions before we engage in this order, because then it becomes difficult and you're not really clear what's happening. And plus you get to identify the scammers and the people that are going to waste your time. So, hey, if you want to learn more about how to market your business, go ahead and click on the video right here. Other than that, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.